Rafa. Yes.
Hello, Rafa.
Hi, teacher.
Yes, good evening.
Good morning.
Good morning. All right, how are you today, Rafa?
I'm fine, teacher.
Oh, wow, you're fine. Okay, how about your breakfast? Are you done with your breakfast?
Yes,
Oh, wow, what did you eat?
soup.
Oh, soup. Okay, did you eat rice as well?
Yes, teacher.
That's nice. Okay, so are you full now? Do you have some energy to read?
I don't know, teacher.
Oh, all right. Okay, so today, Rafa, we're gonna read another stories, okay? Are you ready for that?
Yes, teacher.
Oh, wow, that's scary. Okay, so before that, Rafa, did you go to school today?
Yes, teacher.
Wow, how was it? Can you tell me more
Mm,
about it? What did you do in school aside from
mm.
learning?
I had music and 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 gym.
Oh, I see. Do you also play some instruments?
No.
Oh, all right, I see. Okay, so let me share my screen, Rafa, and today we are going to read and we're gonna understand the story about what is the title of the story? Okay, what is the story that we're gonna learn?
Hang on.
Okay, moving on. And then, of course, again, Rafa, before we start reading, okay, so you have to read the story in normal pace, and then what will you do if there's a period?
Stop for
Uh, Okay, you need to stop for a while. But how about if it's a comma?
we need to stop.
Okay, you need to pause for a while. Okay, great job. So now let's read and let's understand moving on. Okay, are you ready?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, all right. So let's start by reading the title, Rafa. Okay, moving on.
Moving on. Several years went by, and the father of the blown family called them together. Pack your things, he told them. We are leaving here. Bones never stay long in one place. Besides, our farmland with worn out. We we can buy little land if to the slower south
Southwest.
of here. We still settle there. 16 years old. Daniel was happy. I'm glad we are going, he said. I feel
I
crowded.
I feel okay again. Crowded
Crowded. Here there are too many
houses.
too, houses and too many people. Father
Y-
prepared for the journey. He took out
The
wagon,
big okay, the big
the
wagon
big wagon, and
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 and how do we read it? Hitch.
hitched two horses to it to it. Mother packed clothes, quilts, dishes, pots, pans, and kettles. She would fix food for family.
For the
Along the way, Daniel tied the
Daniel
cow
tied.
behind,
Okay.
tied
Again,
a cow behind the wagon.
so
The family said goodbye to the neighborhoods.
neighbors. Okay. To the
Neighbors. Neighbors and to their old home and started on their way. Mother, the girls, and the little children rode in the wagon. Father and the boys rode on horses. Sometimes all of them walked to give the horse
the
a
horses.
the horses a rest. The bones traveled across
Okay. How do we read it? Pennsylvania.
Pennsylvania. On and on they went toward a new country. At last, the family came to the rolling green Yadkin Valley in north,
In north.
north
How do we read it?
Coralan,
Carol.
Carol,
Carolina. In North
Carolina.
Carolina. Check it. Okay. Then there
There
were
were a few houses there already, but it was much wider than in
than in
Pennsylvania.
Okay. Next.
Father said, this is good farming land. We will stop here. Looked all about him. There was level land close by there, where woods not far away.
Far
There
away.
were there were mountains in the west. Daniel knew the hunting would be good.
All right. Okay. Next.
I like this place, he said. There's plenty of room. And the boys jumped off the horses. Mother and the girls climbed down from the wagon. They fed the horses and the cow. They made a campfire. Father and the boys cut down trees and started to build a log houses.
A log house. Okay. Again, a log house.
A log house. Soon the bones had a new home. In the new land, the years went by. Daniel grew taller. His shoulders became wider. He was
fair. He was fair-haired.
Fair-haired, blue eyes, and
lean,
and
rugged.
He hunted in the woods.
He hunted
And hunted in the woods of the Yakin Valley. The Bones neighbors said that Daniel was the best shot of miles around. Daniel Bone had grown into a man.
Okay, there you have it. Okay, so that is the story about moving on. Okay, so here on this part, Rafa, we're gonna read it one more time so that you can understand well what happened in the story. Okay, so let's start it one more time. Again, what is the title of the story, Rafa?
Moving on.
Moving on. Okay, so now let's read it again. Okay, moving on.
Several years went by, and the father of the Bone family called them together. Pack your things, he told them. We are leaving here. Bones never stay long in one place. Besides, our farmland is worn out. We can buy rich land cheap to to
Okay, we can
to
buy.
the southwest of here. We still
We
we
will.
we will still
We
settle
will
here
set. We will settle there.
there. 16-year-old Daniel was happy. I'm glad we are going, he said. I feel coward
Crowded.
here, crowded here. There are too many houses
And
and too many people. Father prepared for the for the journey. He took out the bag,
the
a
big.
wagon. He took out a big wagon and hitched two horses to it. Mother packed clothes, quits,
Okay.
dishes, pots, pans, and kettles. She she would fix food for the family along the way. Daniel tried
Uh,
a
Daniel
cow, tied a cow behind the wagon. The family sad, said goodbye to the neighbors and to their old home and started on their way. Mother and the girls,
and
and the little children rode in the wagon. Father and the boys rode on horses. Sometimes all of them walked to the give the horses a rest. The Bones traveled across Penis- Pennsylvania. On and on they went toward the new country. At last the family came to the road.
rolling.
Green, Yakut, rolling green, Yakut Valley. In North
Okay. This. Okay. So how do you pronounce it correctly? Okay, it's North Carolina.
Carolina,
Lina. Okay, again. North Carolina.
North Carolina.
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 Okay, so again,
North Carolina.
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 Okay.
There were a few houses there already, but it was much wider than in Pennsylvania. Father said, "This is good farming land. We will stop here." Daniel looked all about him. There was level land close by.
Okay, there were. Okay.
There were woods not far away. There were mountains in the west. Daniel knew the hunting would be good.
Okay, next. I
like this place, he said. There's plenty of room here. Father and the boys jumped off the horses. Mother and the girls climbed down from the wagon.
All right. So before we continue, okay, Rafa, let's do this one. Okay, so that, yeah, okay. Let's have some exercise. All right. So how about up? Okay, up and in front. Okay, let's shake it in front. All right. Okay. So now let's have it. Let's continue reading the story. Okay, so they fed
The horses and the cow. They made a campfire. Father and the boys cut down trees and started to build a log
log
house.
house.
Soon the bones had a new home. In the new land, the years went by. Mama. Daniel grew taller. His shoulders became wider. He was fair haired, blue eyes learned, and rugged.
And rug.
And rugged. And
He
he hunted in the woods of the
Yadkin
Yadkin Valley. The Bones neighborhood said that Daniel was the best shot of miles around. Daniel Bond had grown up into a man.
Yes, that's right. So that ends our story about moving on. Okay, so before we proceed to the questions that we have here below, Rafa, okay, can you tell teacher again what is the title of the story?
Mo- moving on.
Moving on, very good. And what is the name of the family who moved from one place to another? What family is it? It's what is the name of the family? What their family's name?
Together.
Together. Okay, so what is the surname of Daniel? It's
Bone.
Bone. Okay, so what is the name of the family?
Bone.
Bone family. Okay, so now can you tell the teacher, Rafa, who are the characters of the story?
Father.
Father,
Mother.
mother,
And Daniel.
And Daniel. Okay, so let's complete it.
And the horses.
Okay, that's it. Okay, so this time you have to answer me in complete sentence, Rafa. Okay, you can say the characters in the story are
The characters in the story are the father,
the father
mother, Daniel, and the horses.
and the horses. Great job. Okay, so on the first part of the story, Rafa. Okay, can you tell teacher what happened in the first part?
Several years went by, and the father,
Okay, what
father,
happened? Okay, several years went by, and the Bone family. Okay, what happened on them?
they packed their things because
Okay,
they're going to another house.
all right, so okay, they pack all of their things because they're leaving and they will move to the other places. Okay, then, okay, what happens next? How about for Daniel? How old is Daniel when they move?
16
Okay, 16 years old.
years
Okay,
old.
so, all right. So, how could you answer it in a complete sentence? So, we can say Daniel is, or Daniel was
Daniel
16.
is 16 years old.
Okay, when they moved. Okay. Now, okay, what do you think Daniel feels when he know that they will move? He
Um,
feels
he feels crowded,
okay. So, Daniel was he felt happy
happy.
because what?
Um, he was glad that they are going to another house.
That's right. Very good. So Daniel is very happy. Okay. So because they are going or they are leaving for another
House.
place. Yes. Why? Why is it that Daniel is very happy? Because in their place, he felt,
Crowded.
yes, he felt crowded
And
and what? He felt crowded and
and there are too many houses
that's right.
and
And there
too
are too
many
many
people.
houses and too many people. That's right. But what happened at the end of the story? Okay, can you tell me, Rafa, what happened at the end of the story? Did they find a new place?
Yes,
Yes, that's right. And then what happened to Daniel at the end?
he grew up into a man.
Very good. He grew up into a man and then he also liked the place where they
Where they
moved.
like
Okay,
the
that's all right. So, okay, can you tell me what do Daniel look like when he grew up?
uh
Can you tell me what Daniel face looked like? His shoulders, what happened?
were like long,
Mm-hmm.
wider,
Okay, wider. His shoulders became wider. And then how about his face?
um he has blue eyes,
Okay, very good. He has blue eyes. And then,
um hair, fair haired,
yes, that's right. Fair haired. And, okay, lean and then broad. Okay, but this time, let's answer this one, Rafa. How old was Daniel Bone when they moved?
16.
Okay, so let's complete it. Daniel Bone.
Daniel Bone was 16 years old when they
Very,
moved.
very good. Okay, how about number 2? Why did the family need to move? Why do you think that they need to move from one place to another?
Because there were too many houses and
Mhm.
it's so crowded.
Okay, because there are too many houses and people, and also they felt too crowded. Yes, that's right. How about you, Rafa? Do you want a place that there are lots of people as well?
No.
No? Okay, how about if there are too many houses?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so you can have a lot of friends if there's a lot of of a lot of houses as well. Okay. But okay, how about if it's too crowded? Do you like that one?
No.
No, of course, it's not good. Okay. But how about for number 3? Let's read the question for number 3. Rafa?
Why didn't they always ride on the horses?
Okay, so why didn't they always ride the horses? What do you think is the reason why they are not always riding the horses? Why do you think?
Um,
Why? Because why do you think that they didn't ride in the horses all the time?
so they can give the horses a rest and feed them.
Okay, that's it. Of course, because okay, the horses also need to rest and to eat. That's why they gave it. They
Us
give a time. That's right. They gave a time for the horses to take a rest and eat as
and feed.
well. Yes, very good. Okay, how about for this one, Rafa? In which state does the family bone make their new home? In what country is it again? Did they move?
Pennsylvania.
Pennsylvania? And what is the other one? Pennsylvania is their home, and they moved to what?
Um, ki- uh, k- k-
No.
kid
Okay, it's North.
North Carolina. Cora-
Okay, that's it. North Carolina. Okay, but of course, here, let's check if all of your answers are correct. Okay, so for number 1, let's read the question and the answer, Rafa. How old?
Daniel was 16 years old when they moved.
Good job. So, Daniel was 16 years old when they moved. Why did the family need to move?
The family needed to move because their land was worn.
Okay, their land was worn, and also there are lots of people, and they feel too crowded as well. Okay. Next, how about for number 3?
They why didn't they always ride horses? They
Yes.
didn't always ride horses because they wanted to give them a rest.
Okay, so why didn't they always ride the horses? It's because they didn't always ride the horses because they wanted to give them a rest. Okay, so the horses needs rest also, and of course they feed also the horses. Okay, but for number 4, Rafa, in which state does the family bone make their new home?
Um, the family made their new home North Carolina.
Okay, so the family made their new home in North Carolina. Okay, so great job. That ends our first lesson for the story moving on. Okay, so, okay, this time, Rafa, we are going to take our 3 minutes break. Okay, after this one, we're going to read another story. Okay, all right, so, okay, bye for now, Rafa. See you
Bye.
after 3 minutes. Okay, goodbye.
Bye.